Hey guys, it's Kayla, and for today's Planner Monday, I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about how I plan instead of doing a plan with me. So I'm just going to kind of talk you through some of the things that I use to help keep myself more organized. I'm kind of on an organization kick, so that's to do with my planning, and then on Friday you'll actually see another video about organization that I think is super cool. So I'm going to kind of get started. The first super obvious way that you guys already know that I keep myself organized and that I plan is my Erin Condren life planner. So I use the vertical life planner, and if you've ever watched my plan with me, as you know kind of my style of planning. Let's go back a few months. So this is my old style. I like to keep my planner organized with a to-do list and then my day. How I like to plan is I like to have a to-do list and my day. So this is one way I like to plan, and then I'll show you this week that we're on. I also like to plan a little bit all over the place, white space-y. So that's my planner. In this I keep my meals, my exercise, my YouTube, and other daily events that happen. So like my work schedule is all in here, appointments I have. So this is where I basically keep my entire life organized and planned in here. I find it easier for me to keep track of things if they're written down, so that is why this is a godsend. I also just think it's fun to have it look pretty like this. So that is my Erin Condren Life Planner. I buy a new one every year. I have a stash of them over here, which you'll see in Friday's video actually. So yeah, this is my planner, and this is my main source of organization. Another form of planning that I use is my Google Calendar. I'm going to open that right now. So my Google Calendar, I'm going to go back to a busier week. Perfect. So this is a few weeks ago. It's where I track basically everything I do. I haven't inputted any of my workouts or anything for this week or my YouTube planning. But if you can see, I have a color code. I'm going to focus on this as much as I can. Okay, can't really focus on it that much. But as you can see, I have a color code in there, and I'll kind of explain that. So my color code in here, I have blue, which is work, purple, which is theater work, red, which is YouTube work, orange, which is workouts, yellow, which is tutoring, and then pink, which is just like personal life, fun things that I do. So that's how I keep my schedule together. For me, I find it easier to have a calendar that shows up my day on my phone rather than having to carry my planner around with all the times in it, just because this does get pretty bulky. It does have all the information I need in here, but sometimes it's easier to be like, okay, what am I doing at 3 o'clock today when someone asks me, and I can just scroll up on my phone and be like, oh, at 3 o'clock, I mean, today there's nothing because today's schedule has nothing in it. But I can just easily see what I'm doing in any given day. So the other part of my planning routine and things I have to do is my YouTube planning. This is my content planning notebook. It is a Vera Bradley notebook that I just got on sale, honestly, probably a while ago. And I honestly just grab a new notebook because I need one. But it's where I plan out. This is prep from Vlogmas. I sometimes will put calendars in there, or I'll just do lists. Let me find my February content plan list. So I'll sometimes do lists like that as my content plan, and then I can use it to take notes. I'm prepping a video right now about sorority life. So there's my bullets for that, or my spot for bullets. That's my bullets for another video I filmed today. So I just kind of use this to keep track. This was my life update from October. So this is just kind of how I keep track of my content for YouTube outside of my planner, because my planner really just is my checklist of did I film it, did I edit it, is it uploaded. But for this, I keep track of what I'm actually doing. I also, in my planner, have a list of videos I want to do. So the only things that go into this book are things I'm actually doing, which makes it a lot easier to keep organized for you guys. And the last major way that I plan my life, which this one's going to seem a little bit weird, but I talked about it a little bit in a video last month. I have this notebook that I take with me everywhere when I'm going to workshops, when I'm reading a new book, and it just is where I can take down notes of things that will inform and help my dreams. And so I consider this part of my planning because it's part of my life planning. Writing down inspirational things and things that are going to get me towards my goals is a part of planning for my future. So this is definitely considered a part of my planning. So that is kind of the basics of my planning routine. As far as like the nitty-gritty of like plan with me's and stuff, if you want to see a video on how I pre-plan my planner, I could do a video on that. Leave a comment down below if that's something you're interested in. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys an overview of how I plan. I don't want Planner Mondays to always just be a plan with me, so I'm trying to think of different ways I can talk to you guys about planning on Mondays that's not just you watching me put together my planner for the week. So if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video. I upload on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!